channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video, I'll be giving you all the deets on this very, very gorgeous, beautiful baddie that I am wearing right now. This is from an Amazon-based company called Lucyhairwig. Pretty sure you've seen them on YouTube a lot, you know. This is the color, it says number 6 straight, but I give like ash brown vibes from this wig. It comes with about maybe like 4 inches of parting space. You can only part it right here. You can part on the side, but you would have to do like a flip over method. You can't really go into like a deep side part. I usually don't do middle parts. I'm looking inside my mirror, but I usually don't do middle parts, but I think that this looks really cute as a middle part on me. I did, as you can see in the video that you guys saw before of me customizing it, I did do a little bit of baby hairs. I'm starting to get a little okay with my baby hairs, trying to get it together, you know, trying to take my time and do what I gotta do to make sure I look good, you know what I'm saying? No. So pros and cons, definitely more pros than cons. The pros are that it is silky straight. I have not went over it with my flat iron yet, just because like I just wanted to just see how it looked without the flat iron. So, but it can take heat. It definitely can take heat. They sent me a wig before that I straightened. It was like the rose gold one, and it took heat perfectly fine. It's very big head friendly. I did the crisscross method for the adjustable straps, and only part I glued down was the tabs, which this tab, it didn't go and stay flat because I needed to cut around the ear, which I didn't. I just didn't want to. On this side, like, it's all flat. So yeah, it does tangle a lot, but like I said, what do you expect from synthetic wigs? Very, very minimal shedding. The only reason why I feel like it's shedding right now is because that I had cut like the baby hairs, and then like I had cut the lace and I cut into the hair a little bit. So yeah, so I would say that if you're like going somewhere, I would say to definitely bring a brush with you so you can just like, you know, freshen up a little bit. Make sure you bring your brush with you. It's 2020. We are not walking around with nappy wigs, even if they are synthetic, period. But yeah, pretty much there's nothing really bad that I need to say about this wig. I really do like this wig. I wanted to do something different with color, so this is the color that, you know, I chose, and I'm just like really happy about it. I keep running my hands through it. It's like a silky straight texture, like a silky, like the feel of it reminds me of like a Peruvian straight hair. So yeah, it definitely is big head friendly. It lays really fat on the head. I did go in, add a little powder to the part, of course, just to give it just a little bit of $33. Sometimes those Amazon-based companies prices go up and down, but as of right now, it is $33, 2-day shipping. So that's pretty much everything I have to say. I'm really loving this wig. It is really cute. My shirt also is from Maurice's. It's like $24 from Maurice's. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this review. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.